Oh hey babes, it's Kay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. You probably came from the last video, didn't you? I got you. We're gonna be doing eyeliners today. So I've always been questioned about how I do my winged liner, and there are different ways to do it, so I'm gonna be showing you guys different ways to do it. Just like in my last video how I did pencil and gel, I'm gonna be showing you gel and liquid. Fun. So few key points to make. You want to keep the lines as small as possible and then build on that. Do not ever start with a thick line and build on that. Please start with a small line and build on that to get your desired line. Secondly, practice. You're not gonna get it right the first time, and you're not gonna get it right every time either. My eyeliners don't always come out nice. Sometimes it comes out horrible and you just have to live with it and learn how to fix it. But practice. We're going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eyeliner. A trick to the eyeliner is that you start on the outside. You do it as long as you want. I'm gonna go for this one. And you drag it in. Perfect example of how your eyeliners could go wrong. But I'm gonna fix it. After you have established your wing over there, you're going to go into your corners . You see? And now your aim is to try connect your eyeliner straight across. Start off with fine lines. Connect your wing with your fine line. And then just fix the middle. And there you have a wing liner. It's not perfect, but I told you guys, it will never be perfect. But check it out from afar, and you can be satisfied, right? On to the next eye, which I find more difficult if you use a gel liner, but it works for some. You're gonna be using a black gel liner. This one is from Maybelline. You're gonna do the same, defining your line, but more gentle. Then you're going to try connect your inner corner. Keeping your line fine again. And then connecting everything. And there you have a wing liner. Zoom out. What do you guys think? Not a fan of gel eyeliner, but it works for others. I like the liquid better. But all I can tell you guys to do is practice. Makeup is practice, and that's how you're gonna get makeup done. Okay, so do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. I have more videos to come, summertime. Yeah, right. And thank you for watching. Until next time, bye babes. I forgot to tell you guys, don't mind my skin or that I look popped down in these tutorials, because I'm doing it for you guys, okay?